Welcome to Labh Group.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr.Hari Narayan Prabhu, CEO of Harshita Hospital, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. We recently purchased a Labh Group oxygen generators with a 500 liter capacity and installed it in our premises. The plant is an indigenous product and fabricated with premium quality materials. The plant was installed on time and elaborate demonstration was given to us. The purity of oxygen is also being ensured. The flow rate is fine with good resistance. Our experience with this company has been really good, and the rapport which they develop among us has been really good, and it is very satisfactory. Our medical community may install this plant for providing better medical management and handle any emergency conditions in a better way. I wish the company all success, and thank you one and all.